So the space that I'm very familiar with is retail. And as I've said, there's only a limited range of exam questions in retail. And we, in our partnership with UGAM, are kind of working through that range: price, promo, SKU mix, space allocation. Next up is e-com RFM modeling. And then there's these other kind of topics to address. This is kind of what we're doing next. You have marketing mix modeling, marketing effectiveness, budget sizing, how you allocate money by different media and how they work together. Labor optimization is a big part of actually the work I do, and be able to use artificial intelligence to figure out, well, what's the comparative advantage of staffing labor in tills or stacking shelves in the back room of a store, and that changes on an hourly basis. And you want to have signals that update that model in terms of, well, how many people are at the tills, or given the weather, do you expect more people to come into the store? And so it's very kind of real-time driving the car thing to try and optimize labor. So it's very, labor optimization is something which is very appropriate for this kind of toolification. And then other things such as store performance. And we heard an example earlier about how do you normalize store performance on the basis of how the e-com business is performing in that catchment area. You want to normalize for competition in that catchment area. And so if we're looking at store performance, there's quite a lot of analytics you need to do to figure out if that store manager is doing a good job or not, on the basis of absorbing lots and lots of data. And if we know what makes a store perform well in terms of the characteristics of that catchment, then that helps us with the rollout of the next store. And again, because we're taking an integrated view now of e-com and the physical bricks and mortar store together, it's important to absorb a lot of data into this. So we started very much on this side of the spectrum, but over the next couple of years, we hope in our partnership to build out this whole array of retail tools. That means we got this very powerful toolkit for automated modeling and kind of embedding analytics real time into our retail clients.